Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning back in with your boy Chris. Today we will be doing the flush mount install. So taking off these side pieces that are sticking out from the fairings. There's going to be a flush one like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's smoked. I'll take it off here in a minute. It's a smoked one. LEDs, and it'll be actually on the body, not sticking out like this. So it'll be a lot smoother, slicker, and all that type of stuff. So let's get right into it. So there should be two different types of bolts or screws. You're gonna need a T30 and a T25. T30s for the bigger one, T25s for all the small ones. But yeah, let me go ahead and take those off. Alright guys, so I just took off the fairing and I got this all loose. So in total it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around like 8 or 9 bolts. I mean, yeah, 8 or 9 bolts. They are T25s and 1 T30 for the actual turn signal. Just keep in mind, take off the turn signal last, because it does have a nut right here holding the back of the bolt. You can't see it. Where is it? It's right there. That guy. He's in the back, so take this guy off last. Here it is, without that plastic stuff on it. So it's just gonna go right there. This is gonna go into the bike. It's gonna come down, positive and negative, I guess, and just match the colors up: blue, blue, black, black. And then these two, the ones on the right and left side, those are gonna go into the actual turn signal. So blue would go there and black would go there, and then yeah, you're basically done. Pretty simple, straightforward. Yeah, let's see how it goes. And also make sure it will be male to female. So this is the female coming from the bike. Male's gonna go in and crimp it down basically, and vice versa. So once you connect them, you just slide the rubber over and you're good to go. There's no crimping involved. I thought there was, so that's my fault. So got it all together. Just slide the rubbers over. And now we're gonna test it real quick before we put everything back together. Don't mind the dirty bike guys, haven't been started in about a week or so. Let's test it out. Left side, and she's working just fine. Look how bright that is. God, I don't know if the camera can capture that, but I think it's bright. No error codes, we're good. All right, just finish up the other one. Everything looks good. Let's test her out. And it works just fine. They both do have the resistors on, so I'm about to test the other side real quick. No light code or nothing. Make sure the back still works. Yep. Need to get rid of this soon. Yeah, everything looks good guys. Both resistors are in. No lights on the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together. I had the wrong one set up right here. This side is supposed to go on the passenger side, which is the right side. I say passenger side because I'm thinking of a car, but it's on the right side. And then that one, the yellow one, is supposed to be on the left side, which is driver's side. But that's how it's supposed to look, all nice and flush. Let's go ahead and get back to it and put it together. Alrighty guys, so I finally got it all buttoned up. Nice and flush. One last turn on. And look at that. They work just fine. It's a lot cleaner guys. Doesn't have the weird things sticking out or nothing. But man, they were pretty bright. The camera probably won't capture it all, but yeah, there they are guys. Thanks for stopping by and seeing my little progress on the bike. There's more to come, and yeah, like, subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do. Peace.